Welcome! In this short guide, you'll learn how to choose the right way to move Sage 300 construction and real estate to a new server, and how to prepare using our migration checklist. Please grab the checklist now from the link in the description. We'll reference it throughout this video. Migrating Sage 300 CRE to a new server is a major project. Careful planning helps you avoid downtime, data loss, and costly mistakes. Before you begin, download the migration checklist from the video description and review it with your team. Backup everything. Open the Sage 300 CRE System Administrator and backup all company data folders. In the 9.5 folder, usually found at C:\program data /sage /Timberline Office /9.5. Store backups in a safe location and perform a test restore to confirm they're usable. Run File Doctor. Launch the File Doctor utility and scan each active company data folder for errors. Inventory customizations and integrations. List all custom reports, macros, and third-party integrations, such as Sage Paperless Construction, TimberScan, Crystal Reports, or Event One. Gather installer files, license keys, and configuration notes for each. Clean up data. Archive or delete unused companies and stale data folders. Remove old backups and unnecessary files. Standardize all file paths to UNC format, such as //servername Timberline Office /data, instead of mapped drives. Plan for licensing. Know how to deactivate licensing on the old server and activate it on the new one. If you plan a test migration, request a temporary or test license from Sage. Communicate downtime. Notify all users of the planned migration window and expected downtime. Confirm that all users are logged out before you begin. Security prep. Temporarily disable antivirus and firewall during installation and data transfer. Add exclusions for Sage and Acheon folders before re-enabling protection. Printer setup. Make sure at least one non-PDF printer is installed and set up on the new server. There are two main migration methods for Sage 300 CRE: manual migration and the migration tool. Use the migration tool if your old server is online and accessible. The migration tool automates most steps and is recommended for most scenarios. Use the manual migration method if your old server is offline, inaccessible, or if you need more control over the process. If you're unsure which method is best for your situation, review the checklist and consult with your IT team. For troubleshooting or questions during your migration, Sage Support is ready to help. If you prefer expert help with your migration, Sage Expert Services is a great option. Their certified consultants can handle the entire process remotely, securely, and with minimal downtime. The initial consultation is free and pricing is competitive based on your specific needs. A successful migration starts with thorough preparation. Next steps. Download the checklist and review each step with your team. Decide which migration method fits your situation. Watch the next video that matches your chosen migration method for a step-by-step walkthrough.